everyone, I'm about to go to the gym. I feel like my outfit's very like outrageous today because I usually wear like black. I've got like this, I don't know what brand this is. Oh, Adidas top. And then these are Reebok, I think. This is very over the top, and then I'm gonna have my black sneakers with like neon underneath. I'm like, I might go put on a black t-shirt, I think. Okay, no, I don't feel so outrageous. So yeah, gym day, I think I'm gonna work out my legs and maybe a little bit of abs and do some cardio. And yeah, this weekend I didn't vlog. We did quite a good amount of exercise on Saturday, and other than that we just chilled, so it was nice. I feel very recharged. Today I'm going to do some cleaning as well because my filming room is a pigsty and I need to like just tidy it up and do some more declutters. So I'm gonna do that today, and I might film a declutter later today if I get time. Otherwise, you know, film it tomorrow or this week sometime, because that's when I usually get lazy with my declutters, is when my room gets messy after doing a PR haul or something, and it's just like this shit everywhere, and I just, you know, it gets messy doing a declutter as it is. So me and Hamish online ordered our groceries. We want to try it out. My friend does it and he said it's amazing because like you just like save your list of what you want each time. So like the first time it takes a while like putting everything on the list, but then next time you just like order it, pay for it, and then you just go in there and pick it up. Like you don't have to walk around the supermarket. And I don't know if we forgot heaps of stuff, but I feel like it was a lot cheaper because I feel like we didn't buy as much like dumb stuff. I don't know. So yeah, that's arriving tonight. Hamish is gonna pick it up on the way home because I've got the smaller car and I won't fit all the groceries in the boot. Hi cutie, you are very cute. What you doing? He's like, my care is gonna come in the mail. Well, not in the mail. When Hamish picks them up, I keep thinking they deliver it, but we didn't get delivery. We're just gonna pick them up ourselves. Pitter 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 pitter. Pitter pitter. So when we took Zeus to the vet the other day, turns out he's lost 2 kilos, which is amazing. Oh, my stomach just made a horrendous noise. Tummy is so bloated. Last night we had Thai and I had some like pad Thai and we got some curry and stuff, but it was so yuck, so we mostly just ate the pad Thai together. But my stomach's like huge right now. I'm bloated, so I'm excited to get to the gym. Hopefully it'll help with my digestion and everything. And then we've planned out our dinners for the week. We've got a couple of like yum dinners. Well, all of them are yum, but like, you know, less healthy dinners. And then we've got like fish and chicken and stuff. I don't know, so I'll show you. And I got some stuff to have some salad for lunch, and I also brought some peri peri sauce to see if I can make my favorite muscle fuel meal at home with like carrot, broccoli and a bit of rice. So I don't know, we'll see how it comes out. I'm missing my muscle fuel meal so much. I was gonna buy some this week and Hamish like, no, we'll cook this week and see how we go. I'm just so lazy now. Like I got so used to the muscle fuel privilege. Someone left me a comment and asked what pre-workout I take, which I did reply, but just in case anyone else is wondering, it's the Curse mango orange flavor. Oh, that's another pre-workout. So I was at the gym for an hour and 50 minutes, I think. No, hour 42 minutes. 802 calories. My heart rate was not that good today, but hey, it's Monday. My high was 174 and I was mostly in cardio today instead of peak and qualitative fat burn. So basically I did an hour of my elliptical and I did a really high intensity. I was like 14 to 16 to 18 most of the time, so that's probably why my heart rate wasn't super high, because I was going like slower but like pushing really hard and like getting my muscles working. And then yeah, when I slowed it down to like 14, I was getting a bit more like, you know, puffed and stuff. And then I did the rest of the time working on my legs. I did some leg presses and like the ones where you pull down on the machine, I don't know, and some floor work, just a whole lot of different like leg exercises and a little bit of planking and sit-ups and stuff like that. So yeah, feels good. I'm super sweaty. I'm gonna go wash my hair and have a shower, and then I am going to spend the rest of the day tidying up my beauty room and putting away my suitcase from Europe, because no, I haven't done it yet. I'm not even lying. You guys know how terrible I am at unpacking. I've got my suitcase from Auckland for Katy Perry, my suitcase from Europe, and also my suitcase from visiting my beach house. And yeah, need to put it away because that's really embarrassing. Look how cute he is. You having a good day? Got your handbag? Did you drop your handbag? Here you go. There you go. You lost your wallet again. He's lost his cell phone. Where's your cell phone? Oh, there it is. I'm ripping up something. You don't want to lose your cell phone. Right, I've just had a shower. I've got some Olaplex in my hair. I'm going to wash it out later. Put on my oil. Not Tumi, what's it called? Teamy Soothe Oil. And now I'm going to clean up this mess. Got to make up a giveaway prize of the stuff, my current giveaway. Put away some clothes. I'm going to clear out that wardrobe and put some storage in there. And put away all of this stuff. That's the task for today, and then hopefully I will have enough time to put away my suitcases as well. So let's get started with some music. People ask me all the time, come on, turn on, what my Spotify is. I don't know what my username is because it's just hooked up to my Facebook. I'm pretty sure it's just a whole lot of random numbers. When this wants to turn on, I can show you. If you search Shaaanxo in the search 3 A's, it'll come up with my playlists. I don't know why this comes up. But yeah, if you scroll down to playlists, you can go see all. Sorry, my screen's got dust all over it. It's probably setting powder. This is my newest playlist I'm adding to at the moment. It's just like newer music and some other songs I like. Sleep playlist, which has nothing on it right now, so don't follow that one. Colors is about my lipsticks, my matte liquid lipsticks. And then Kung Fu is just a whole lot of random songs. Kiwi Vibes are Kiwi Vibes. Metal. Feel Good is my Feel Good playlist. I like to use this one for cleaning, so that's what's going to play today. And then we've got Workout, we've got Throwbacks, Chill Music, Lost at Sea is just heaps of songs I like. Pillow Fight is just lots of songs I like. Old EDM speaks for itself. Favorite songs during 2015 speaks for itself. Don't Tell Them is like R&B, hip hop, rap, that kind of thing. My Lost at Sea playlist has a lot of followers. So is my Throwbacks. Yes. My favorite playlist right now is this one though. I can't get a ball. You used to get them, so I got them all. Okay, so I've put away bunches of giveaway stuff. I've got another like declutter box that is just stuff that I don't need, extras, backups, just stuff I'll donate. So all that floor's kind of clean. I've got a few more stragglers and I need to go through all that stuff, and I need to put all of them in the donate box and some of that stuff. And I've just started putting away stuff off the top of the shelves, and I'm just like tidying up my drawers that I've already decluttered and stuff as I go. But it's 2 PM, so time for some food if we have any. More recycling to do. I think I'm just gonna go good old muesli again because we have nothing fresh. I accidentally put in like 8 tons too much of almond milk, but oh well. Alright, we're looking much better. So I've got to organise all of these. I want to go through all of my Z palettes and make sure there's, you know, no double ups and stuff. I've got way too many. I've been avoiding them because I've just got, yeah, way too many. I still need to wipe all this down and everything. Need to clear out that closet and put away more stuff from down there. And this stuff here is just stuff I want to do videos on probably. So that's all just there. Until I figure out something to do with it, I need to put this away, and that's for giveaways. Hello! You're so cute! Yes, you are. Yeah. And all of that stuff down there is to put away when I do my next declutter, which is this bottom drawer. I want to clear out heaps of blushes and actually put those away down there, and maybe even move some blushes to that side because there's nothing at the bottom there. Like the top drawer's got glitter, but the bottom one's got nothing at the moment. So yeah, all of that will be put away when I start doing a declutter, which I might do tomorrow. I might film like a makeup look and then a declutter, and yeah, that'll be tomorrow's filming. So we'll see, and maybe I'll do like a first impression on this or something. Loads of people have been asking me for that, so I need to do it. So we got our groceries. Hamish picked them up and they all came in paper bags, which was quite cool. I was wondering how they'd package them because our countdown doesn't supply plastic bags, which is the coolest thing about it. I was like, they'll either put it in paper or boxes. So we've got more. I've got to put it all away now. Alright, so Hamish wanted burritos tonight, so that's what I'm making. He's off to the gym, but he got home from work late. It's like 20 to 7 and I'm starving, so I'm just gonna make dinner now and he'll eat his when he gets home in like an hour or so. All cooked. Alright, here goes. So good. I just ate those 2 burritos. I'm stuffed. I am dead. I love Paris Hilton. Oh my god. Goals. Literally grew up just thinking she was the bomb. Oh my god, who remembers The Simple Life? That was my jam. Love her. Look how hot she is. Can't get over her. And you, Patrick. Love you. I was playing Fortnite, but I was doing random squads and it was just an absolute mess. I got paired with like kids every single time. So I'm gonna put on a mask now. I haven't done a clay mask in a little while. This one is called the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. I have used this before, by the way. I do like it. I have like a million clay masks. This is the first one I grabbed, to be quite honest. My skin's not necessarily playing up super badly. I've been using that Dermalogica foamy mask, the clear start, whatever it's called, with. So my blackheads aren't looking too shit. I wanted to do a clay mask just because I haven't really been exfoliating my skin a lot other than the chemical exfoliant I use, you know. And look how pretty it is. Show you how it looks once I rinse it off. I left this on for way too long. I do that every time I wear a mask. Like lay in bed and then it dries and then I like forget and then I start feeling really like dry and itchy and I'm like, oh, that's right. Alright, here's my skin immediately after. It feels so soft. I'm gonna use some oil. I've started my new tube of the Soothe. I love this oil. So soft. Is my little magnesium drink mixed with all the other little drops. Why is my camera not focusing properly? There we go. And a probiotic. Been really bad. I haven't been having this very much lately and I need to because my sleep hasn't been as good. This really helps with my sleeping. I've got 2 Bell teas because I like it nice and strong, and then I top it up with a few drops of soy milk to make it nice and creamy, and it tastes just like bubble tea except less sugary and of course without the bubbles. I like it this kind of color. It looks brighter on camera. I'm just like loving tea right now. Like I can't get enough. I haven't had coffee in ages at home. Like I've had coffees out and about, like driving to Wellington and stuff, but have not made myself a nice coffee in a while. I'm just like loving just tea. Doesn't have as much caffeine in it, but I haven't really needed caffeine a lot because I've been going to the gym in the morning, having a bit of pre-workout and just getting my energy through, like, you know, the gym and pre-workout. So I'm gonna have these and head to bed. I've just been watching Made in Chelsea. I still got that treatment in my hair, I realised, so this will be coming to the gym with me tomorrow. I've just been watching Made in Chelsea, but I like low-key like don't like the new seasons because I just don't like any of the characters that much. It's just like the same shit every time. I'm bored. Everyone's just like cheating on each other and stuff as always. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.